Hi there, it's Brent from Volkswagen of Inver Grove, and today I wanted to talk to you about the 2021 Atlas. The Atlas has just been a wonderful utility vehicle in our lineup, and as of recently has just won a 5-star crash test rating. I'm going to take a few minutes to do a quick little walk around here of this car and show you some of the features and benefits. This 2021 Atlas, I love this Aurora Red color. It just is so pretty. Nice 20-inch two-tone wheels. See the front end here, you got the ID lighting, which is very bright, the new VW logo, and one of the many safety features, the frontal camera. It's a really neat, bright headlamps. Oops, little camera issue here. Well, as we get into the front end, front door here, as you can see, it's got nice all-weather mats, leather interior. I love this two-tone seating. It's really comfortable. Just really detailed out nicely. 4Motion vehicle, easy dials, nice, lovely touchscreen. The steering wheel is just really cool. Everything is right there, so you don't have to take your eyes off the road. This thing's got a Fender audio system, which is just absolutely awesome. The back end here, plenty of room for passengers. This vehicle is also equipped with third row seating. 2 full-size adults can fit back there no problem. And as you get to the back end here, this is equipped with a power liftgate. You can see even with the third row seats up, ample room for cargo in the back. And this vehicle is also equipped with a tow hitch, so you can actually tow anything. Come visit us today at Volkswagen of Inver Grove. We're located at 494 in South Robert, just minutes from the Mall of America, or visit us online at vwinvergrove.com. Look forward to seeing you.